YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel, One Down, Four Up. Gotta go get some go-go juice. I have no internet or cable in my house at all for the last hour. This Comcast company sucks. For the last 4 months, every month the internet goes out and I call them up and ask them what's going on. They say, I'm sorry, all we're allowed to say is you have an outage in the area. They can't tell me what's wrong with it, but they can tell me when it'll come back on. They told me 7 o'clock it should be back on. Last month, it was out for 8 hours. And all they could say was, sorry, there's an outage in the area. Today the guy said, well, sir, we don't plan this. I'm like, that's a bunch of shit. Last 4 months you guys been having an outage in the area and it gets longer and longer every time. If you didn't plan it, how do you know what time it's going to come back on? I asked him. And he couldn't say anything. And he's like, is there anything else I can help you with? No. If I got no internet, no cable, and you don't know what's wrong with it, there's nothing you can do for me. I mean, there's no point in even talking to you anymore. And every month they say they're going to give me a credit, and I've yet to see a credit yet. So it's time for to shop around for a new internet company, I think, because Comcast in Arizona, Tucson, Arizona, blows. They're getting worse and worse. They got that X1 platform that has done nothing but give me problems since they made me switch over to it. Oh, I gotta give me some gas. Give me like $2 or something. It is hot, man. I'm running my AC at home, and people on the East Coast are being snowed in, blizzards. That's a cool little bike, man. What is that? What is that?
Bicycle.
It's a bicycle?
Yeah.
That thing's pretty cool looking, man, like Road Warrior-ish.
Hey.
What motor is that out of?
Little quad.
Kids quad? Chinese quad?
Yeah, Chinese.
No, you don't need no license or nothing for it, huh?
As long as I can pedal it. Right now my bicycle chain's off, so it's supposed to be 49 cents.
So the cops don't mess with you or anything about it?
I've been pulled over a few times, but not. They just look at it once for a tail light.
Huh.
You need 14 cents for the gas?
14 cents? I gotta put $2 in. It's full?
It's full.
All right, hold on, man. 14 cents. I wonder how much that'll get me.
These days, everything is different. Just like relationships, nothing is official today until it hits Facebook. Well, that may be stretching a little, but
yeah, this is my
not official now.
stupid thing. If I have to ride a bicycle, I'm gonna ride a cool one. I built it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
It's a work in progress.
Is that a Orange County chopper frame or something?
No. I built the frame.
Oh, you built the frame out of what?
Heavy steel. It's heavy steel too. I use my bender and my welder. And the head tube.
Here, man. Here's for that. All right.
The head tube was off of the little pit bike that I took the motor half, and then the rear end, the swing arm was the pit bike. And
what did these tires come off of?
actually, those are the motorcycle tires.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That was my front tire off my CB 550.
Wow, that's a small tire.
Yeah.
Small but wide.
16. I had a 190/16, but it actually touched right there.
Yeah, that one looks like it's really close.
Yeah, well, no, the other one was close. This one's got plenty of it. The other one was real close.
Well, that's pretty cool, man.
Some air out of the tire.
Suicide shift?
Well, yeah, so it's not actual suicide.
Oh, it's just for looks?
Just a lever on the lever.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, because the left foot clutch, too much. That's hard to do.
It's got a nice stretch on that. For what angle is that there, that front end?
30, or no, 40
42, 43?
Depending on what I have to rear end, you know, because I've been changing out shocks here and there. This one finally seems to be doing all right. Yeah, change the mount and everything.
Is it automatic or something?
No.
No? 4-speed, wow.
71 miles an hour.
Is that right? Oh, that's cool, man. Well, stay safe riding it, man.
That's why I had to put the motorcycle tires on. The bicycle tires weren't set up for any kind of speed. You know, every time they just car. Now it's a scary ride. Once I put the cycle tires on it, smooth sail. But I ride it everywhere. Out to Haver Valley.
Really?
He's building one right now too, but
well, that thing is cool. What do you call that, though?
Work in progress.
Work in progress. All right. All right, man. Later, man. Thanks for the gas. That's pretty cool. Always see weird things out here where I live. Well, I gotta get some gas. What's the gas going for? 189. Let me go inside and get some gas. Well, that was pretty cool. That little Road Warrior looking handmade bike. He should have got the motor out of a Chinese quad. It leaks oil though, big time. The camera's picking it up there on the ground. Give me $2 in gas. Ain't nothing to do at my house because I got no internet, no cable. So, go out, take a ride. It's nice. It's 72 degrees. A little breezy. It's supposed to be getting some rain here tomorrow. Mother Nature can't make up her mind what she wants to do. It's cold, it's hot, it's rainy. Cold, hot, rainy. And then the East Coast is getting blizzards. I don't even know where to ride at because I wasn't planning on riding today. That's my O-ring. Get my clothes on, we'll go riding again. It's no racetrack, buddy. Guy come flying in there behind me, man. Well, just go take a little ride around. Told my wife I'd just go get some gas, but every time I tell her I'll be right back, I never go right back. It's about 5:45 p.m. A lot of motorcycles out riding today. Let's go down a different road that I haven't been down yet. I think I've been on this road maybe twice, and that's to get something notarized twice. It's a fire department thing down here that they do notaries when you need notaries. Oh man, look at these bumps. Barbershop. It's a water company. Terrible road to ride on. Look at them clouds coming in. It's going to get cold tonight, they said too, so we're getting all kinds of weather except for snow. That was a cool little handmade bike, that guy. I don't know, he looked like he was twerking or something, man, because he was like, it's like nervous, giving me a nervous energy. There it is right there. Where I go get stuff notarized. I've never been anywhere any farther down. Oh, look at that hole. Any further down this road here. Come on, speak English, son. Stuttering on your words. Quite warm. Church? What's down here? Lived here, what, 5 years, and I've never been down this far. Nice house. So, the internet and cable company. Well, I'm telling you, man, the last 4 months, it has been terrible, man. The X1 platform, garbage. What's down here? No outlet? Okay. What's this way? Dirt road. I'm always riding on dirt roads. Let's just go see how bad this dirt road is. Exploring. Yeah, that guy was twerking, man. Probably doesn't have a license. He said his buddy or his brother was building another one up in Napa Valley. That's a good 25-minute drive from here, 30-minute drive depending on traffic. This is why I need a dual sport. Let's go up on the hill here. Whoa, look at these bumps. Hope there's a paved road up here. That's one thing I need. I need a travel trailer. Why? Because everybody in this town has a travel trailer or 3 or 4 cars in their yard. 2 to 3 travel trailers. 5 dogs. That's what happens when you live in the country. I don't like this road. How about this road? What does this road look like? Lord. Lordy, lordy, that's a long dirt road. Let's go this way. I've never been over here. So this is a exploring video for me. I see a paved road straight up ahead. Look at that boat just sitting in the middle of the freaking... There's a deserted trailer right over there too, and a boat sitting out in the front. Nobody living there. This house is for sale over here. This house is empty. Let's go take a look at it. I wonder what they're asking for this house. I don't know what color it is, but got a dog kennel in the back. Looks like it's been empty a long time. Honey, I'm home. What's for dinner? Yeah, not for me. Although I've been talking to my wife about selling our house, moving back to Florida. I get bored real easily. Alright, that 2-story house caught my attention. Let's go see what it is. Shield fogging up. Look at all them damn antennas he's got in there, man. Garbage all over the front yard. What the hell? That's garbage house. I know where I'm at. This is going over by my son's school. Or where the bike path is. Not the bike path, the skate park. I can still get out and ride right now. Sun setting. Should be dark in about 45 minutes. Yeah, over there, that way is the skate park, that way. I guess I'll head on home. I'm getting hungry. Just wanted to go get gas on my bike and do a little quick ride. And bitch about the internet company, Comcast. Getting on my nerves. Anybody else in Tucson having a problem with Comcast? Every month telling you there's an outage in your area? And then turning your cable off for 4 to 8 hours? Mike's running good. watch my video, remember, leave a comment. Take time to leave a comment. I'll take the time to reply to your comments. And let me know what you think about Comcast, internet companies, cable companies. They just seem to be going downhill in my book. Post a comment down below or send me a personal message. Share my video, like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like always, this has been a 1 Down 4 Up production. That's a wrap.